As you can see, the back glass, the actuators are basically shot. So if you are in a similar situation, there is the old mechanics standby of a long stick that you can use to prop it open. And of course, you know, that always works. But a much nicer fix is just to replace the actuators. So, hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. Today it's not really an upgrade per se or a modification. It's just replacing worn out parts. Now the Jeep's a 2014, so it's about 4 years and these factory actuators are shot. If you have the factory hardtop with the glass, you're more than likely eventually going to have to replace these at some point in time in the future, or you know, just carry a stick. So these are the Rugged Ridge tough support gas charged lift supports. I'd received these for Christmas from my wife. I think they're probably around. You can shop around. You can pick these up for, you know, and it doesn't necessarily have to be this brand, but you can usually pick them up for about 15 to 20. You can give more if you want, but you know, you can shop around and find them fairly reasonable. And from the way it looks, that these are supposed to be just pop on, pop off. So let's see here. Oh. Okay. Let me go grab a flat screwdriver and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're back. So you're going to want a fairly thin flat blade screwdriver. You'll either want a buddy out here to hold this, or you know, definitely put you a pole, something to support your glass. And you have a clip, which I will bring the new one over and get a close-up of. But you have clips on each end, and you'll take your flat blade screwdriver, and what you'll do is you'll insert it in and pry that clip up. And what that's going to do is, as you pry that clip, you can see it, your little pieces that hold, it's going to spread them apart and let it come off. It's a ball and socket joint is what it is. So once you have your flat blade screwdriver, making sure your glass is supported, you can take and slip your screwdriver underneath to pop off your old actuator. So yeah, these are Chrysler branded, so these were the originals. Yeah, that's got not a lot of pressure on it. So now we will do the same thing in reverse, and that we will take there. Now we will come around to the other side. There. There it goes. Reinstall these in the factory orientation. That's on there. Double check to make, always double check your work. Make sure that these are in here, that your clips are seated. So now we can take our stick out. No more droopy back glass. So, like I said, these are going to cost you $15, $20, $25 if you buy like some kind of deluxe version of it. So, and when you replace one, you need to replace them as a pair. So you're probably looking at, you know, middle of the road, $40 to replace your actuators. The Mopar ones lasted, well, they were shot when I got it, and the Jeep was, and that was the end of 2017. So, you figure the Mopar ones had lasted maybe 3 years. I guess a lot of it depends on how often you use it. Now, the factory ones, you know, in the summertime they would kind of halfway hold it, but you know, wintertime rolls around and they're just no, not doing it. So this is going to be really nice now that I can just close and lift it. You know, instead of, you know, trying to hold it open while you're getting your groceries out, or hold it open while you're fumbling for the stick. So, but don't throw your stick away, folks. This is one of those things that it could be used in a number of ways. Just a handy to have thing. Also, just a quick tip. If you're replacing shower curtain rods, you can if you got the twist and push type like this is, you can use it as a load blocker for your vehicle if you want it to. But so far, I think they're going to be good. We'll see how long they hold up and how long they last. But as you can see, if your back glass ain't wanting to stay up, they're not difficult to change out. All you really need is just a thin flat blade screwdriver. Take your time, don't stab yourself in the hand with it. But all you do is lift the clips, take your old ones off, lift the clips, slide your new ones on. So before I go rambling, I want to thank everyone for watching, and I will see you later.